everyone. I am Manju Taneja from RPIIT. Welcome to our channel RPIIT Academics. Today my topic is types of verb. I hope you will like this video and share with your friends. First of all, we will go with the definition of verb. A verb is a word that tells us what the subject performs. It indicates action. Like in the given words, run, walk, write, sing, play, these are the action words. Verb is basically the action words, these are the doing words. In the given picture, mother is cooking food. Cooking is a process of, this is an action performed by the mother. So this is called verb. The boy is walking. Walking is also an action verb. There are two types of verb, that is main verb and helping verb. In the next slides, we will know about main verb and helping verb. First one is main verb. It expresses nature of action. It tells us what type of work is performed. Some examples are run, eat, go, play, walk, write, come, bring. These are the examples of main verb. Now there is helping verb. It helps the main verb in expressing the time of action. It tells us about the timings of main verb. Like examples we will take is MR we use for present tense, was were we use for past tense, has have had we use for perfect tense, would could these are the modals, do does we use for present indefinite tense, did we use again for past tense, can we use for the permission in future. Four forms of main verbs are first form, that is present form, the second form, the past form, the third one is past participle form, that is perfect also, the fourth form, present participle form, that is continuous. Like if we are talking about present form, that is for you, like example we will take, that is play, that shows a present time, and past form played, that shows the past time. Past participle form, it means the work recently completed, that is played. The fourth form, present participle form, that is work is still continue. Here we will use verb, first form of verb plus ing, like playing. Forms of main verb divided into two parts. The first one is regular verb. We add simply ed to main verb. Ed suffix at the end of main verb in second and third form. Like we will take the example walk. The second form will be walked. Third form will be walked. And the fourth form, present participle, will be first form plus ing. That is walking. Then the other example is play. Second form played, third form played, the fourth form present participle will be first form of verb plus ing, that is playing. Now we will talk about irregular verbs. No ed suffix at the end of main verb in second and third form. It changed into other way. Examples we will take come, the second form will be came, the third form will be come. Drink, the second form will be drank, the third form will be drunk. Eat, ate, eaten, feel, felt, felt, go, went, gone. These are all irregular verbs. Then there is irregular verb where there is no change in three forms. Examples are there like bat, 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 brust, 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 broadcast, broadcast, broadcast. These are some examples of irregular verbs where there will be no change in the three forms. Now we will talk about regular verbs. Ed suffix at the end of main verb in second and third form. Example, add, added, added. We simply added ed suffix to second and third form. D suffix at the end of the main verb in second and third form if word ends with alphabet E. If the word is ending with E, we simply add D with the main verb. Example will be move, move, move. IED suffix at the end of main verb in second and third form. If words end with alphabet Y, we will change Y simply into I. We will use IED. Example will be marry, married, married. This occurs when a verb ends in a consonant and y. When a verb ends in a vowel and y, then we will not change y into ied. Example, play, played, played. For more examples, we can go with the box like move, 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 marry, married, married, tie, tied, tied, show, showed, showed. These are the some regular verbs. Some verbs can be both regular and irregular verbs. Examples we will take hang, hung, hung. Here it is irregular verb, while hanged, hanged, this is a regular verb. Learn, learnt, learned, this is an irregular verb. Learnt, learned, this is a regular verb. Spoil, spoiled, spoiled, this is an irregular verb. Spoiled, spoiled, this is a regular verb. Smell, smelt, smelt, this is an irregular verb. Smiled, smiled, this is regular verb. Burn, burnt, burnt, burn, burned, burned. So these are some examples which can be changed both to regular or irregular verbs. So this was all about types of verb. I hope you will like this video and share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Once again, thank you very much.